In this video I'll show you very quick how to remove background from any image with Canva. All you need to do is to open a project, then you can go to Uploads, press Upload File and choose your image. You can drag here, very easy, press one click, then go to Edit Photo and press Background Remover. Wait for a few seconds and your background from your image is removed. Now you can change the color from background, or also you can go to background here, choose any background you want, let's say this one, and your image is ready. If you enjoy, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and I will see you in the next videos.